welcome back guys. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking show. Well, I'm in the kitchen today and we're going to show you how you can make yourself a lovely healthy breakfast in the morning for a drink, how to lose weight, and also how to get rid of your tummy and shape right for summer. Thank you so much. This is some Chef Ricardo on the team, and we got a lot more recipe coming out for you. We love you and see you next time. Bye bye. Nice and lovely guys. Welcome back with Chef Ricardo back in the kitchen today. Basically today we want to give you a healthy breakfast, and I talk about the breakfast. You know what I mean? I'm saying to my fans, this is one of the best way you can go for breakfast in the morning. Basically right over here, as you can see exactly what I do have. I got green apple, red apple, banana, and also we got pineapple, mango, and also we got some yellow melon over here. Some people call it cantaloupe. This is some kiwi, lime. We got some pumpkin seed and sunflower seed right here. And also right over here we have some cinnamon and glass and a big container with water. Healthy breakfast is good in the morning, especially if you're a person who wanna be losing weight. This is where it come in really handy for you guys. Basically a lot of people want to lose weight, but them don't want to eat healthy, and that's where it come in wrong. For you want to be healthy, you have to, if you want to lose weight, you have to eat healthy. And basically we have some of the most powerful thing right here in the kitchen. This is an idea which you can have for breakfast in the morning, and also even lunchtime you can have it. Basically I want to say do not eat too much fruits, because fruits do have a little bit of sweetness to it, guys, to be honest. But what I want to simply say to you, you can use the lime and cinnamon and water to kill that sweetness. So today we want to show you how you can have a nice lovely glass of water and have your fruits with a little bit of seed. I want to say seed is good for you guys, to be honest. A lot of people doesn't like to eat seeds, but seeds is good for you, you know what I mean? Almond and all these things, nuts. But if you're allergic to nuts, please don't have it. Basically what we're gonna simply do, this is my cinnamon which I do have here. I'm gonna put a pinch of cinnamon inside of my glass, just like this. That's a little pinch of the cinnamon. Put that on the side, and then we're gonna put some water inside of it, just like that, a glass of water. Then what we're gonna do, we're gonna put the lime straight in the water like this. As you can see, exactly what Chef Ricardo been doing right here, guys. I just use half of a lime, give it a lovely stir. A lot of people doesn't know that lime is good for you. Basically the seed is good for you, and the lime and cinnamon is good for you guys, and all of these ingredients do work really well. So this is just a quick idea of what the fans can have in the morning before breakfast. Before you eat anything, some people do eat the fruits and eat this and then go and have breakfast again. It's too much. But I want to simply say to you, before you eat your fruits and everything, make sure you make a glass of water with a little bit of cinnamon and some lime. If your cinnamon a little bit is too strong, you can sweeten a little bit of honey inside of it. But basically I want to say these ingredients, guys, right here is one of the most powerful thing you could ever have. So please guys, try it at home, and if you try it at home, the full recipe will be on the YouTube channel, and as you can see right here is just amazing. In the meantime, you're eating your fruit, you make this nice lovely drink right here and make it go and simmer in the meantime. Soon as you finish eat this, then you can drink this. Basically you can have this 5 mornings straight the water, but change your fruits diet. And also you can have grapefruit and orange, and you can use ginger inside of the water, a little honey if you do like. So there's different stuff you can do. So hopefully guys, you will find this one really interesting, and this will be a benefit to you. And as I said, these are healthy, but do not eat too much sweet stuff like sweet fruits. You know what I mean? Because fruits is sweet. If it doesn't want to do all of these one, you can put it one side and you can blend it. So look for the juice, which is gonna be coming next with this one. Thank you so much guys, and hopefully we can see you next time. And this is some Chef Ricardo on the team, working very hard to find good recipe for the fans. And see you next time. Bye bye. Lovely guys. Welcome back with Chef Ricardo back in the kitchen today. Basically today we want to give you a healthy breakfast, and I talk about the bread and breakfast. And I mean, I'm saying to my fans, this is one of the best way you can go for breakfast in the morning. Basically right over here, as you can see exactly